How to install typical app. So hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. So in today's video we will be showing you how you could easily install it. So first things first that you're going to do is you're simply going to search your Google over here typical SLYC at APK, then you will be able to see the different options off here. Look for the one that offers APK and just simply click on download over here to be able to download that specific app for Android or other iOS. It could be much more complicated. Basically in iOS you are able to actually access it through your app store, but you're going to have a VPN and be in a different location. But after being able to have a VPN you should be able to easily look this app up in your app store anyway. So simply click on download over here, which will allow you to download the APK and you should be able to install it very easily when it downloads on your device. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.